Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest in skincare and beauty to help you make informed choices. Today, we're going to dive into a product that's been making waves in the skincare world, the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. With its claims of offering hydration, plumping effects, and skin barrier repair, let's see if this fast-absorbing, lightweight serum lives up to the hype. Vichy's Mineral 89 is a powerful blend of two key ingredients, pure hyaluronic acid and volcanic mineral water. Hyaluronic acid is famous for its ability to attract moisture and help skin retain hydration, while Vichy's volcanic mineral water is rich in essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These ingredients work together to strengthen the skin's barrier and improve its resilience. The serum itself is a gel-like texture that's surprisingly lightweight, making it perfect for those with sensitive or dry skin. It absorbs almost immediately, leaving no sticky residue. And the best part? It's fragrance-free, so it's ideal for anyone with skin sensitivities or who prefers a more neutral application. In terms of usability, this serum fits seamlessly into a daily skincare routine. It's recommended to use it both morning and night, and a little goes a long way. I've been testing it out for a few weeks now, applying it to both my face and neck, and I have to say, the results are noticeable. My skin feels hydrated without feeling weighed down. In fact, the plumping effect is real. My skin looks fuller and feels softer. But it's not all perfect. While the serum provides a great hydration boost, it doesn't offer the deep moisturizing power that some richer creams or oils might provide. If you have extremely dry skin, you might find you need an additional moisturizer to seal everything in. When it comes to value for money, this product sits in the mid to high range. While it's not the cheapest serum on the market, the ingredients and formulation are top tier. Vichy's commitment to dermatologist-tested, paraben-free products adds credibility to its premium price tag. If you're willing to invest in a quality hydrating serum, this one is certainly worth considering. As for alternatives, there are some budget-friendly options like The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Serum or Neutrogena's Hydro Boost, both of which offer similar hydration benefits. However, if you're looking for something with the added bonus of strengthening the skin barrier and promoting resilience, Vichy's Mineral 89 is a standout. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is simple but effective. The glass bottle feels sturdy, and the pump dispenser ensures that you don't waste any product, providing just the right amount with each use. This makes it a great choice for travel, as the packaging is both practical and durable. Overall, I've been really impressed with the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. It does exactly what it promises, hydrates, plumps, and strengthens the skin barrier, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to improve their skin's overall health and appearance. If you have sensitive skin or dry patches, this product is especially worth a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.